All right, this is it. I'm very excited. This is the first part of the electric bike. I got the wheel. I've only ordered the bicycle and the wheel. The next thing, of course, is the battery. That's the hardest part to order. But the wheel has arrived. I didn't know if the bike was gonna arrive first, the wheel was gonna arrive first. So this is a genuine live, not exactly live, but this is the first time I'm doing it now live, if that helps. I'm gonna grab the wheel. This is a live unboxing of the wheel, Mark. Oh, this is big. Look, it's bigger than I am. Oh man. Okay. I have that. I'm not gonna review this because it's just a knife. Although it's the first time I'm almost wasting time. It's new. Okay, here we go. Cut away from yourself. I learned at an early age because I got infantile from cutting into my knee from not cutting. Well, I'm kind of cutting away. Cutting down into my knee. Oh, more. I wish I could get this on tape, but you're just getting me cutting on tape. Slicing along the top. Okay, now the box is open. Let's see what we have inside. I'm pulling out my first part. I'm pulling out all the part. You know what? I'm gonna put this on the ground. Here we go. Stuff with stuff in it. It is a wheel. Not too much heavier than the regular wheel. Okay, what we got? We've got, probably don't need that. I think I'm gonna need that. We got the tire, I guess. Is there a tube? There's no tube. That's probably a different bag. All right, the wheel and the motor is probably the biggest thing. A little bit of weight to it, of course. Can't hold it up very long. All right, an opening. Look at that. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. You can get a workout, but I guess there's a little bit of a motor in there. It's just so sad I don't have a battery. Can't do anything with this right now. Another little kit here. Little bag we discussed earlier. Instruction manual I think is going to be very important for me because I really have zero idea. Well, I don't want to say zero. I have somewhat of an idea what I'm doing, but not a great idea what I'm doing here. I'm sort of like just off the cuff, winging it. All right. Another thing right here is sprockets that smell like, I don't know, it's grease or something. Sprockets. Wasn't that a monkey? Let's put everything away so we don't make a mess. And in case we have to return stuff, because you just don't ever know. Found the tube. I found the tube. All right, so this is interesting. The photo on the instruction manual has this guy in fatigues or camouflage in front of a tank holding a, I don't know if that's an M16, A2, yeah, because if you're buying an e-bike, you're an American and you love guns, I guess. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that, but that's just kind of funny. It's interesting. It's like, all right, they must love guns with this cutter. I'm not knocking, people that love guns. Everyone has a hobby. I have a hobby, that's what I'm doing. But that's funny. Okay, so it looks like pretty cool instructions. They have pictures. I love pictures, and I think in this case more important than photos are specs. So hopefully we're gonna have some specs in there. Now I think the main part now is I'm gonna be opening the little box of I think all of the goodies that make this kind of system work. You know what? You're probably thinking that's not the best unboxing video. I've seen everyone does a better unboxing video. I gotta limit the amount of time I'm doing here. I mean, I should be out like biking or working for money to pay for all this stuff, so. Okay, let's open the little box of hopefully all the parts that make this thing work. What do we got? We've got the controller. I forgot what they call it, BMS, no, it's CMS. It's a controller. It controls things, power and stuff like that. This will go on the bike. It's pretty light. That's cool. This is a little plastic thing I think I'm gonna lose, so I'm gonna actually put it back in the box right away. Funny it's not sealed better. All right, now the stuff that goes on your handlebars. Stuff that goes on your handlebars. Woohoo! I guess the throttle. No, this can't be the throttle. Maybe it is. No, this part probably is the throttle. Ah, you hear it turning? It's turning. And there's a button and a little bit of oh, yeah, this kind of looks nice. So, vroom, 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 hit the button. It connects to things. Twisty ties. If you've got a passenger on a flight that's being unruly, you're gonna want these. And the brake, which I believe the brake takes over your regular brake and goes inside. Oh, 2 brakes? Hey, 2 brakes are better than 1. Although, interesting. So I don't know how it works, well, like in instructions, how it works with your normal brake. So 2 braking levers. All right, cool, cool. I can dig that. Wires and leather, levers. All right, I'm gonna put all this down. So I kind of showed you what the main part is. I guess that's everything they promised me. And that stuff that wraps wires. It's probably a formal name for it. Oh no, I thought it's like a snake. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. All right, so I got that there, and so now you've seen everything. You know what I know. Let's see if this actually works by putting it on the bike, which we don't have, and then attaching it, hooking it up to a battery, which we don't have. So that's all in the next video, I hope. I'm just, again, don't expect the bike. I don't got the bike yet. I've just got ideas and now a few parts and the wheel, which is kind of cool. It's damn heavy. This is probably more than some bikes. This is, I'd say this is 25 pounds? Yeah, it's more, it's like definitely 25 pounds. I could find out for sure, but yeah, it's 25 pounds. Okay, next video we're gonna do is putting it on the bike, but we gotta get the bike. Well, actually, next video is probably gonna be building the bike and then putting this on the bike and then putting the battery onto it. So there's a lot more stuff to do, and then riding it. So many exciting videos in the future. Like, subscribe, comment, or don't. I don't know. Yeah, after a while, it's just like, I don't care. Just do what you want. Do you. That's it.